Ukrainian Film Agency abona abateguye Ministry of Culture, British Film Institute team abona abandi bagize mu ruhare Legacy Films, Sankara the Premier Mwumva, Toy Cinema, AB Store Production. Simba somera kwanza sikicyanzanyi mutega amatwi nanjye nkore kiri munakanure cyane. Legacy of Lies, Scott Adkins no mucikwe abenshi mukunda kumwita Boyika abandi mutebutsi sinzi ibyo bizo naho mwabikuye. Scott Adkins ho mucikwe muraya ana ntumucikwe. Yuria Soboro amazina la bwatinze hari uri mu mazi uko mureba nayo niko ndeba. Sekwe datangira cyo byantambye gufutije filime gatangira siki kareba tangira hakuno hari wazaga hano bazari ikiwe house cyangwa kigarara gishaje ndamatambuka gutyo.
Red Star is on site, headed due south.
Red Star avugaga
Star is on site,
Red Star kuri site
headed due south.
asangare majepfo witegure. Haro babwiraga araka Scott Adkins yitonza avayo hari mudamu atambukaga wishwe Red Star tanya muri Kiev Ukraine imyaka 12 ishize. Imyaka 12 imbere yuko Uburusiya bukora iki mukanure cyane.
Stepanenko has arrived.
Stepanenko yarahageze.
Wait a second.
Buretse akanya hari witwa Stepanenko uparitse imodoka ngo Red Star baje guhura mwanda mudamu aravuga ikirusiya cyangwa agapapuro.
Stepanenko is not alone.
Stepanenko ntabwo ari wenyine kubera sasu hano barashe imodoka fajya n'umudamu bamarasa mugongo binawe yivanga mu ntambara.
Red Star is down.
Red Star arashwe nyene ubufasha fajya mu gituza nawe tangira kuweza kubarasha ku mudamu ko filime itangiye by Legacy of Lies. Kubwa Sankara bazaniriza umwaka we kureba hejuru murasaga kiyo nije mu kibisi gishaje gasa hejuru manu wa mbere. Red Star baramarasha bamwe bagakapu kuri kizi kigaba amasasu nacabona uva mwana agira vuba backup nagire boze nona shaka ibijyanywe. Jezano yewe ni jewe Martin. Sa umeze neza bakora cyane uguma mu modoka nusohoke. Bande nabari bateye ni bandi Boyika yajwe yiswe Martin. Kikaba kiri hakuno ndi hakurya bari muri junkyard hano hari imodoka bishaje arangije umuhanga hano ari ibikwasteri ajya hejuru azamushakire hasi undi ari hejuru yitonze maze ndore bari muri Ukraine muri Kiev. Asasu we cyangwa takabaraga poka hasi dangije karega twagika paragifata ya fire nari bavana y'umukobwa
Daniel Sonko
baravuga ikirusiya
throw me back.
nagira kugakapu ufite
Go.
reka umukobwa agende.
Слышишь, что я тебе говорю?
Zana agakapu nonaha.
When you let her go,
Nutanaga agakapu ntabwo muguhereza.
just listen to me, alright? You let her go.
Nyumva neza. Reka umukobwa
The
agende
end of it.
tubirangize neza.
But if you do not, you are a dead man.
Kandi nutabikora nawe uri umupfu.
Throw me the fucking
Hereza igikapu urubavu ngo bari serious.
fucking back!
Zana igikapu kugira ngo abyemere. Amupasa amukubita sampo y'isasu mu rubavu. Urabyemeye ko ndi serious ndamumena ubwonko. Avayo. Agakapu sinzi harimo iki. Hey. Zana agakapu.
Ну, давай!
Kanage. Akanaze. Kumbe yarotaga nibyo yibukaga. Wari umunsi umwe. Barakwereka muri Peckham London uyu munsi present day. Wa mugabo ari muri Crane ibere yakora muri London. Jakuno
20 minutes.
Minota 20 uriteguye. Kana karaporeza.
The hell is that?
Jenebiki
Avocado salad.
salade zirimo avoka.
I'm detoxing.
Ndimo na detoxinga.
Boxing, what for? You're 12.
Uri mu detox y'ifite imyaka 12.
So-
Kwa kundi kuramo ibiyobyabwenge.
Clean out your whole body.
Oya detox nugusukura umubiri wawe wose nta kintu kiwangiza.
Everything changes for the better.
Erete ku buzima bw'ubuhinde bushaka ubwiza birenzeho. Ibyo mvuga. Baje kumbari mugabo nakana.
I'm boring you.
Umva pa nakurambiye.
You're so sweet, huh?
Nicyo ukora cyuvuze pasheri.
Never mind.
Ntubigire ikibazo.
Listen. It's Richie May.
Ase umva Rich May.
He's got the range, but you got the power.
Afite utekinike ariko ufite imbaraga.
He's really tricky.
Akandi afite ukuna gutricking iyo muhanganye.
He's going to keep you dancing at the end of his jab.
Ingome za naguri buzukwepe.
Create.
Cyane cyane amaguru.
Bide your time.
Akana karamu yese maza ajya mu mirwano bakunguka amafaranga. Kana karavuga ati ndwanya muhangana zifite tekinike ariko ufite imbaraga. Kandi imbaraga si ibirayi.
I'm gonna do what I always do, okay?
Mwana ndakora ibyo sanzwe nkora nabindi.
Smash straight through.
Yamushyira hasi muhondagure.
I think that will work,
Don't
Dad.
you worry about
Basi ngombe cyeka.
to me.
Mwana wanjye bindekera ibindi. Kira amafaranga ugenda ushetere. Uri sure?
Sure. Anyway, what is this? 20 questions? Go on.
Uwo mara ibibazo birenze veni nawe genda ushete ugaruke. Isara zana gahondagura nakana kambetingira bakunguka. Sene ndwanyi kuri bwati. Ubukene si ikintu. Mwana injira hakuno. Sasa bwate z'amabandi bya bintu bya under age ngo ari munsi ya 18 nemereye kwinjira hano ni bihari.
2.8 for the bull. You're kidding me. Richie May won the last K1 Grand Prix.
Rich niwe nsheteye.
He kicked
Kanga gushetera se.
Shit out of the fly and almost choked Gary Newman.
Ndamusheteye kandi nomushize namusheteye ndatsinda.
Boy should be way over 3.
2.8
Buri niwe nshaka ko atsinda.
it is.
Akubiye kabiri n'ibice 8. Amake 50.
Oh, you're a real high roller, aren't you?
Kabese urimo azamura ibice cyane sibyo?
Here's 500.
Sakira 500. Nitwa Rich May niyo nsheteye. Gasheteye utwa Rich May niyo gashiriyo. Ise nabarangije kubitamo zaga. Mu Rwanda hakuno imbaraga nizo zikora. Ukayacura yawe. Tayare. Kana kaza hakuno. Kaje gufana se. Akana kasheteye utwa Rich May kandi zagabwe nkamusheteye. Seyinjira ring. Uriteguye nawe uriteguye. Muhondagurane sha. Sasa. Ano imbaraga nizo zikora. Ukabana ibyo urarira. Tayare. Magabo mini ndwanyi. Ewe. Baragundagurana. Kana viyo ko bamwishe nta namusheteye. Kana kabwiye se. Yeah, Mecca. Kabwiye se ngufite imbaraga ari kuri afite tekinike. Muzahe. Yapurika. Ibirayi. Bandi ni tekinike. Byanyabyo. Kigabo kirakomeye.
He's got the range. Move your legs.
Umva akoresha amaguru yawe papa. Mugabo arabangutse. Tayari. mugabo mushyira hasi. Mugabo niyumva arakomeye. Papa warwana reba neza, warwana hareba ijisho bare tarabari bari menya ni maravutura so ku ruhande. Papa mwarekeye,
It's time to stop.
cyogeje cyo gurekera. Yewe tata we parika nabi, cyewe gatata we bana makarinda menyo nabi tabaye ibyo mangu barariye koko tayari. Hey avayo amangu mi baramukomye koko.
You alright?
Meze neza. Ameze neza. Moko uratsinze rata.
Better luck next time.
Ubutaha rwose musore wowe uzitegure neza.
Fuck is that?
Ibyo ni ibiki mwana we?
Did you bet against me?
No ntago washete ngiye washete yundi.
I tried to warn you.
Nagwaye gasopo ntago ugishoboye kurwana urabyihata. Nashete yundi ko ari butsinde. May Richie yagukomye.
I don't know what's been up with you lately.
Sinzi ibyo maze iminsi urimo.
You've just not been focused.
Ntago ugitekereza ku kazi kawe ko kurwana. Abandi babyukira mu mwitozo, ubyukira mu ibaro ujya kumangurutse. Liz ndagana ketwe ka Liz kubera ubukene ise na ID job kubyukira muri tiza nabyo nta kibijya bajya mu icupa bumbe hakuno dore bituma mukasirwa nta bindi n'udufaranga duke abonye no kujya muri byeri na za congo fata ku mwako eske
Street light,
karaga umuhumetso
to sing a little higher. My mind,
maze nakubeshye mwumva
this time gonna run a little faster.
udutera afite nimba umugore yaragiye ntumbaze akana gasugiraho ibya nijoro nawe ndakaruhukira hakuno. Ntago nashoye amafaranga nashoye nayo nakozemo aritere ubundi amaguru pfa kuba afite nkora kurose na aritere rene bampata mangumi tayari business nagiteze guhomba kana kibereye hakuno kaba kishushanyiriza. Tayari bitonze mana nshaka kureba mu maso ijana itatu kumbi tara yikanga mu yibuka ibindi. Hari umuntu bazaga yucunda aho ngashaka kumureba mu maso. Umeze neza shini tara hirya gera hirya Tongo
Sorry.
koko utanywaretse umva mu mahoro reka ntuze ko sheni.
I'm sorry. I just.
Babare wavuye hejuru ku muntu wabayite.
Alright.
Sawa abagore batabwiwe nabi ni bumva karyama hakurya maze ndanivumbuye umuntu sahorama yarahagije twagira ni business yari yashoye nawe ngazunguka ayo wamaye waruri muri ampombya ajya ni duka hakuno muzehe mu gitondo ni imbunda yi nta ubura hagangika cyangwa sabari amasaha yavuye mu mirwano yifatira kabunda. Twatangiye filime arimo arasana n'abantu muri Kiev muri Ukraine.
Ready?
Riteguye
Remember what I told you.
wibuke ibyo nakubwiye.
Dad, I've been thinking. You like it here, right?
Papa se gutyo bishaka.
It's alright.
Sawa
I'm tired of moving all the time.
papa nyinambiye guhora twimuka.
I think we should settle down here.
Ndakeka twaguma hano tugaturiza hano
Open a restaurant or something.
dushaka restaurant dufungure dukore business fatika cyangwa ikindi kintu.
Think.
Urabitekereza iki? kandi agatoza kurasa buri munsi.
You know what I think, Liz?
Liz, ibyo ntekerezo urabizi.
I think we should keep moving. You know?
Ndakeka twakomeza tukagenda twimuka.
What we do, right? Me and you.
Je nawe tugakomeza twimuka tugenda buri hamwe kuko tumuri turi ikipe.
Team.
We are team.
But why?
Kubera
Look, you're not concentrating, are you?
uzi guturiza hamwe.
Remember what I said about aiming the gun?
Urabuka ibyo nakubwiye ngo ujye utekereza ku mbunda.
Use these gun sights to aim.
Ujye ureba hano inyuma ku mumetso w'imbunda.
Right? You
Sibyo?
don't the target. Target's in the background.
Target ni iri inyuma.
You got it, but it's these.
Hano inyuma ni urebeye neza.
Come on, you know what to
Ni mgufa kasinga ukarasa. Sawa ngero urasirindi rimwe.
I want to start school this fall.
Papa nashaka kujya mu ishuri. Shaka gutangira kwiga. Akararasa. Nikabyitaye.
Not concentrating, are you?
Ase kutita kubyo urimo akora Liz.
Dad, I have to think about my future.
Papa ndimo shaka gutekereza hazaza.
I have to have a profession.
Ngomba kugira akazi gafatika.
Well, you want an office job?
Shaka kujya mu biro. Mwana we. Sibyo mvuga.
I could be like a writer or an artist.
Ndashaka kuzaba umwanditsi w'ibitabo cyangwa umuhanzi.
Oh yeah, that's just what the world needs is another artist.
Ibyo ni byo ikeneye cyangwa.
Begging on the street for money. Oh please, please pay me. Pay me
Urusabasabiriza ku muhanda bose ntibabaye usasikiga ukiraya nacyo ni ikizigizima mu mutwe.
to express my innermost thoughts. I've always told you, Lise. To be independent.
Icyo nagusabye umwana ni ukuba independent ukimenya.
Don't have to rely on anyone else.
Hatagira undi muntu rwose urangamirizaho.
But to be independent, I have to have skills.
Ariko kugira ngo independent nuko ngomba kuba ufite ubumenyi.
You got plenty of skills.
Mwana wanjye ufite ubumenyi buhambaye utanaza ahubwo.
Taught you everything you need to know.
Nagutoje ibyo ugomba kubuzi.
After this summer, I'm starting school.
Papa nyuma y'iyi samanye rwose ngomba kujya ku ishuri.
That's it.
Kandi ko bimeze. Arabana nta nyina nta kepfo ka ruguru sibye se. Ise nawe nijoro bitabanga costume. Ana makuru na yandi Skuratov n'umugore we. Muri New York baharasiwe niyo nkuru ibyaca kuri televiziyo. Kuraba makuru.
This is a major
Bitwa ko abarusiya barasuye muri New York.
attempted murder.
Na yindi nkuru ibiracongara abarusiya babiri umugore n'umugabo. Barasuye muri New York. Kuraba makuru.
I'm off to work.
Mwana ngiye mu kazi.
Lise,
Liz,
be back later, okay?
ngiye mu kazi.
Pizza in the oven.
Mwagusigiye pizza muri oven.
Do you ever listen to anything I say? I'm detoxing.
Papa ariko jya mvijya nkubwira nawe shaka undi kubyo barimo na detoxinga. Nahinduye imirire. Ngo wakuno mu kazi ni bahunsa. Buriya abantu badakunda gukora naho ganga akazi karabo uzajya ugaterura ibyuma ukababahunsa ukayabaga utabudahembwa. Hano abarwana mu mbari. Mwirwana. Kimwe cyo mukome ngumi. No mu bahunsa kabisa namwe n'umujinya. Yewe. Ubu bahunsa nungukiza abantu suku rwana. Mate. Bani binaga ari byo.
You want to please turn up here again?
Shaka polisi tangize mu kazi kacu gwakubise mukiriya. Bakize batandukane wikomereza ukukora akazi.
Listen to me.
Nyumva neza.
Get your shit together.
Imihari yawe ujye uyigumana uranyumva. Ntukazane ibibazo byoye mu rugo nguze gukubita abakiriya. Niba barwanye bakize bigarukiraho. Simple as that. Kumbe hano.
Okay. Next.
Okurikira iyo binjiye hakuno barabasaka.
Anger management.
Martin kaza kana muzizi na kangaka ko.
Pass on the tray.
Zana hano agasaka mekaye ngusaka. Tinjuzane bimogi bitemewe.
Did you know that anger is always preceded by feelings of pain?
Ase ujutabangamirwa no kumva uburibwe budasanzwe mu mubiri.
I think you should probably mind your own business, don't you, love?
Wa mukobwa byakaye byiza urebye byakuzinye kare kumbaza byinshi.
Next.
Undokurikira.
We are in the same business. We need to talk.
Ahubwo nyine turi muri business imwe dushatse twanavugana. Nikavuga byinshi karigendera. Hazi ngo ni kande. Gasiga hano karanga muntu kako. Hano sasa arabazaga harabinjiye mu bari bafite imbunda. Kakabari Martin akoramo. Martin ari mbakiriya. Hari umurataga kofi wa mukobwa. Waje mwango duhuje akazabwo dukeneye kuvugana azamushakisha. Beatons. Kobwa ibereye hakuno arimo aranywa amangurutsa.
You got this?
Harakanu yibagiwe.
Be a bit more careful with my belongings if I was you, Miss Stepanenko.
Ati wa mukobwa bibaye byiza wagicunga ibintu byawe Madame Stepanenko. Kobwa no Murusiya.
Interesting name, that. What is it?
Izina itangaje ni iki?
Russian?
Uri Murusiya?
Ukrainian.
Ndi Ukrainian.
You do remember my father, Igor,
Ese papa yitwaga Igor uramwibuka?
don't you?
Sibyo?
You worked with him.
Wakoranaga na data
The Gazette?
kuri gazete.
Kiev 12 years ago?
Uribuka imyaka 12 muri Kiev.
He told me you were the best investigative reporter he'd ever met.
Ati yarazi ko uri umunyamakuru rwose uzi gushaka inkuru ukazimuhegezaho. Mwarakoranye.
I think you might have me confused with somebody else.
Waye muko wasanga wananyibeshyo. Karangije.
This was taken on my father's cell phone.
Ati ifoto yaturutse muri telefone ya data.
It was taken just a few days before he died.
Iyi foto bayikuye muri telefone ya data iminsi mike mbere yuko apfa. Akira hano.
My father,
Uyu ni data.
his colleague Olga,
Uyu ni mushiti we Olga.
and this is you.
Uyu ndakeka ari wowe. Yarakakanya ngo nawe aziranye na se. Isa ariko ngo agakobwa yarishwe. Yitwaga Igor.
How'd you find me?
Wamenye gutahundi.
I'm a journalist,
Ndi umunyamakuru.
just like my dad.
Nkuko data yari umunyamakuru.
What do you want?
Ushaka iki?
My father's mission is mine now.
Misiyo ya data ubu yabaye iyanjye.
Nothing has changed since he died.
Nta cyahindutse nubwo data yapfuye.
Have you seen the latest news?
Waba wabonye amakuru mashyashya?
Look, what happened to your father? That was a tragedy, but
I need your
Ibyabaye kuri so.
help to get the files.
Nkeneye kubona bya byandiko. I need your help to get the files. Shaka umfashe kugira ngo mbone ibyandiko data yasize. Sinzi ibyandiko ubwoko ki? Mugabo akiraho. Jya hasi. Arabaza nyimuna muri bwate. Hobari. Gakobwa maza kari guhigwa. Kiswe Sasha. Stepanenko. Ati nagacikisha muri bwate. Asasu byanyabyo we. Injira igikoni. Abacugusa mwegereye ibintu byakomeye hanze. Genda batega ibyo batega. Hey, filimi da. Yawe. Yavuye mu kazi. Yebera bounce bagiye gutuma gasubiramo. Mukobwa ngo ari ibyandiko bya se ata publishings. Mukobwa ashaka gushyira hanze. Sinzi n'ibyandiko bwoko ki. Sasha yajamagara gakobwa. Gitonzi kimunda kura ibikumwe arakinaga. Ntagira umenye ko ari ryo warashe. Za hakuno tahiwe. Yitonze kazamaze imyaka 10 ninga avuye mu umukobwa wawe mugabo yakoreraga anataka amusaidie bagere ku mafile ayashire ku karubanda. Fata inkoni ya baseball. Zinkoni zirakomera shawo. Yitonze turore kugira hana kana kararyamye ni Kaliz muryango wundi ndawukinguye turore kugera ha Martin
You old fox.
Arameze nka kera kabisa. Nyuma nanyu mugeze mu rugo.
Been a long time, huh?
Cyari igihe kirekire mwana. Tutabonana. Labana asanze bageze mu rugo iwe.
What's going on, Trevor?
Trevor nibiki byamere.
Old lady throw you out again, or
Mugore mukecuru yakwereje cyangwa?
CIA starting another war?
Cyangwa CIA gihutanyi intambara Central Intelligence Agency.
Just craving a little chit chat with an old buddy.
Man, nta no kuganira mo nk'unshuti ya kera utangiye guhita uzazana akazi. Mundi wakwicaye. Charira tuganire. Fata umunyate wangu. Kanda amazi tuganire.
So you found the beer?
Mwabonye na byeri.
John Edwards,
Barita John Edwards ngingo na MI6 ubutasi bw'abongereza.
MI6. Heard a lot about you.
Nakumvishe byinshi.
You're bleeding.
Urimo urava amaraso mwana.
Oh, don't worry.
Ntugire ikibazo.
Serious, just a little
Ni imyuni isanzwe.
humor comes and goes.
Iraza ikagenda.
Just can't seem to find the time to schedule the surgery, though.
ntago ninze mbona umwanya wo kuba najya kwibagisha.
Can't be too careful.
Kwibagisha vuba nabyo nasibye byiza biraho.
Want to tell me what you're doing here in the middle of the night?
Mwambwira icyo mukorana muri iki gicuku.
Alrighty, let's get down to it.
Sawa reka dutanye tubiganiro nabyo.
We're here because of your little tete-a-tete with that cute reporter. What exactly
Twaje hano kubw'inkuru idasanzwe yawe n'uriya mukobwa w'umunyamakuru.
did you two discuss?
Ubundi hagati yawe n'uriya mukobwa w'umunyamakuru Sasha. Mwaganiye iki?
I don't know what to tell you, Trevor.
Since cyo kubwira Trevor.
I'm a bouncer.
Nje munabaye bouncer akazi nakavuyemo.
You know, part of the job description is you got to talk to people.
Niwe wana n'ubu sinyivugana n'abantu twakoranaga kuko nakavuyemo nitangiye ubuzima busanzwe.
When you quit MI6,
Ubwo abaga muri MI6
we had an agreement.
twarumvikanye had an agreement.
You don't mess with our business. We don't
Utazagaruka mu kazi ka MI6 niko twumvikanye.
mess with yours.
Kandi nukaza mukatubangamira. Natwe
Told you then.
we shall mess with yours. Natwe tuzakubangamira mu kazi niko twakubwiye.
You try to get back in the game.
Washatse kugaruka mu kazi.
I take you out.
Nkukuramo.
Now, did she mention the files?
Uriya mukobwa w'umunye Ukraine files yazivuze hiki.
It's 12 years ago, Trevor.
Umva Trevor imyaka 12 bya file narabivuyemo.
So why the fuck are you bringing it up now?
Kuki ubingaruyemo?
No, we know what happened. The Russians got the files.
Simbizi n'abarusiya barabonye files.
Mission not accomplished.
Mission ntabwo yanarangiye.
Well, the reality turns out to be a bit more complicated than that.
Ahubwo bisa nk'ibintu bitasobanutse neza kurushaho.
Please enlighten me.
Mbasobanurira neza. Bamuhereza ifoto.
We're all worried about your health, Martin.
Martin twita ku buzima bw'abantu.
What's that supposed to mean?
Ushatse kuvuga iki?
They will find you.
Bazakubona.
To Hilton yesterday morning.
Uwo ni Hilton yari mugeze mwarakoranaga ejo mu gitondo nibwo bamwishe.
He was less fortunate than you.
Abari ndwanye nkawe.
Who is he?
Ari he? Ninde uri kubito yirukanga?
Got too close to her.
Komeza wegerera mukobwa cyane. Uramenya abarusiyaho naho ko bari kuguhiga.
They nabbed him by surprise.
Naye baramutunguye namenye n'uburyo yishwe.
Stakes have gone up, Martin. The Russians have repeatedly used nerve agent in the UK. Now they've done it on our
Abarusiya bongeye kuzamya ibintu muri UK ushatse nawe wagenda gake.
as well. We consider this an act of war.
Ibi twabifata nk'igikorwa cyo gutangiza intambara. Act of war.
Work with us, Martin. We'll protect you.
Homura Martin, dukorana natwe tuzakurinda.
Otherwise,
Cyangwa se bitabaye ibyo,
you could end up with a new smile too.
cyangwa utangire kumwenyura na bundi buke n'ibindi bigucanga. Papa,
Please, back to bed, please.
mwana wanjye Liz, gisubira mu buriri.
Back to bed.
Jya mu buriri. Lisa. Kaza kwase.
Last time I saw you, you were wearing a poopy type.
Mwana ameruka kumureba rwose yambaye pampa.
Need to go back to
Papa
bed.
kuryama byananiye.
That's who you are again.
Mwana ngenda uryame.
Some daughter you got there.
Mfite umwana rwose.
She's grown up fast.
Arimo arakura vuba.
Just like her mother.
Asa nka mama we.
I look like myself.
Nje ndisa ntago nsa na mama. Anza gatanazi nyina.
Listen, Martin.
Umva Martin.
I get you don't give a rat's ass about the Russians.
Bazi twita ku barusi ngene kubwira.
Fine, but you realize those
Gusa
files
izo files barimo barashaka nawe urazizi.
probably exposed the scumbag who betrayed us in Kiev.
Uribuka byatugambane muri Kiev ko byagenze muri Ukraine. Izo files abarasha barazishaka.
Network. I promise you, he will face a firing squad.
Niba aramukandi bakwiyongoje barazana firing squad. Baragwitana nabi.
Don't you want to know who's responsible for her mother's death?
Ese ntago ushaka kumenya umuntu wishe mama w'uyu mwana. Akana karabyuka.
Mother was in an accident.
Mama se ntago yishwe na accident.
An accident?
Accident, Trevor.
Car accident.
Iyo gonguranye n'imodoka.
You didn't tell her?
Ntago wabwiye umwana wawe.
Right, that's enough.
Mva birahagije umwana ajya kumubwira ibyanjye na.
Please.
Kana karivumbura. Liz.
Think about the traitor, Martin.
Mane Martin tekereza uwishe umugore wawe.
When you just love to encourage his disappearance.
Ahubwo shyiremo imbaraga kugira ngo nawe tumukure mu nzira.
Oh, I'm out now. Fuck off.
Navuye muri akazi mumve imbere musohoke mwende.
If there's ever anything you'd like to share with me,
Niba ari ushaka kunsangiza.
find me.
Uzaho kunsanga tu.
Again, Martin.
Ahubwo ngiza kongera kubona Martin. Witekerezeho. Nawe yakoreraga MI6 ava mu kazi karacyamukurikirana. kana karaje karahira se arakabeshye ko nyina agonzwe n'imodoka. Reese,
Tell you.
mwana wanjye mubari nanjye kubwira
Yes, honey. Just
mukundwa umva
listen to me, please.
nyumva sheri
You lied.
warambeshye papa.
I was gonna tell you when you were wrong.
Nashatse kubwira nomara gukura.
Go away.
Genda
Me alone.
ndeka njyenyine. Sheri mukundwa mwana wanjye
You lied to me.
kuki wambeshye warambeshye. Ugabo hano sasa akazi bakoramo n'indyankurye ibintu ngo ni mu butasi gutya bw'igihugu kuba uri wanted da none akarusho waranamenyekanye igihugu cyose ugiyemo icyamuzanye nta kindi yazanywe n'akazi ubukekwa ni akazi ukora ku ibanga wenda nabo mukorana kandi n'uwo mukorana nawe ntabwo amenya amakuru ya misiyo uriho tereka vande wenda mukuru wagutumye urugana guseje ribuka madamu ntabwo nkwizera urukundo zari zihari. Hey madamu yitwaga Oroga hakuno Adamu nimba rero barashe wa munsi film itangira bana yutubunda twe sasa hakuno mugenzi washinzwe terrorism muri Amerika nabo bashyushye counter terrorism. Bakira ibyangusha amapasiporo hafi aho bafaranga utwayabitse bu telefoni
Need you to pack your stuff, Liz.
mwana wanjye pakira ibyangusha.
What?
Ngo
We're leaving.
tugomba kuva hano naho turimuka.
I have to leave.
Papa kuki tugomba kwimuka ariko
Dad,
papa
Do as I say, okay?
kora ibyo nkubwiye
I don't want to leave.
ntabwo ushaka kuva hano
Stay here.
nshaka kuguma hano.
Why is it always about
Kuki ntabwo mburana nawe wa kane pakira
Stuff.
pakira imyenda yawe kabwira n'abakana hargiye batari ngombwa gusobanurira umwana naho nze ndi maneko naho nze nkora ubutasi bw'igihugu kabona kumubwira ibyo numkwangiza umwanya kamukangamo gace ugabafata igikapu zana mu modoka nyuma ye baramukoma tayari kweye kabunda Mudamu atangira kumupimiraho aramanitse. Mudamu yitonze avayo kazi nini ryankurye.
Сюда его.
Боги kirusi yamumuzana sha. Katu yamushyira hasi. Bamubwiye ngo abaruse ni bakwifatira. Izo file zazishaka ku ngufu. Senze zirimo iki n'ibyandiko.
Wonderful.
Byiza cyane.
Perfect profile for a secret agent.
Ya rwose ufite profile nziza yo gukora mu ibanga secret agent. Mudamu yitonze. Banza kongeza amafege. Navuga akura igipapiye kora kiramurya muhereze fege maze urumva turi fege ibyo wigira kwa gasuzuguro karashira.
All right, slow down.
Genda gake.
Okay.
Genda gake, genda gake.
Whatever you want to know.
Ushaka kumenya cyose.
The files.
Ndashaka ibyandiko. I want the files.
Files.
Izihe files? Uravuga ibiki?
What files?
Izihe files yewe data we nyuno kuga.
No, what files?
Izihe files urazimenya? Bakubaza bana bahondagura. Intoki barazigorora.
Fuck.
Mwanda.
Where does she hide them?
Uriya mukobwa ibyandiko yabishe.
You've got the fucking files. I saw
Azibyo byandiko mumbwira.
shoulder bag with my own fucking eyes.
Baranaje barasana umuntu atwara igikapu.
You're the files.
Sinzi abiri.
No.
Hoya hoya.
No.
Uravuga sha files umukobwa yazibitse.
Fuck.
Mwanda.
Maybe this refreshes your memory.
Wende bingiye kwereka biratuma utangira gutekereza neza. Amwereka mu tablet agakobwa ke bagashimusi. Kalis. Turashaka files katubwa ngo nuzaho ziri. Gutes.
Okay.
Sawa.
Okay.
Sawa.
Sasha knows where the files are.
Sasha wa mukobwa azaho files ziri.
I can get them for you.
Wenda namuneka nkazibashakira.
She thinks I'm a journalist.
Arabizi acheko ndo umunyamakuru.
I used to work with her father.
Nta nubwo ziri mpamvu nakoranaga na se.
You know that, right?
Ibyo murabizi sibyo?
I can get you the files.
Sawa nabashakira files zanyu.
You will get them.
Urazizana cyane. Ibyo birahagije. Yitonze. Avugira hakuno ari fandi mukuru bavugana.
Файлы и журналистка.
Arajugunya mu Kirusiya.
I want the files and the reporter.
Ndashaka files n'umunyamakuru. Ariwe Sasha.
Dead or alive.
Yaba ari umupfu cyangwa ari muzima.
I don't care.
Je don't care ntacyo bintwaye.
4 hours.
Ufite amasaha 20 ntabwo ni umunsi umwe. Kanangabanaga hakuno muri kaburimbo. No kibazi ivunye ko ari ebyiri. Aza hakuno mu kamodoka ke. Amwajyana mu ijobu. Tangira kubona musimu wa madame inyuma. Ntabwo uzabivamo sezeranya. Tangira kubona ibidahari. Kumbe imodoka ye bakizaho ka GPS kamukuru ahantu hose agiye. Bamuri inyuma nabo barakurikira. Seta burenge. Sasa agakobwa barahurira he. Tanazi niyo kari. Mudamara. Nakana. Kana karajundamye ntacyo kazi ni kazi biva nebigana. Lisa.
Your father is collecting a present for me.
Rwose iso ari Imana agiye kunzanira.
If you are nice,
niba uri umwana mwiza,
we will be nice.
natwe turakubera abantu beza. Buriya hari umuntu ushaka kuba afite ikibazo n'umubyeyi wawe, yahura n'umwana ati umwana turapfiki, bakibanira neza.
You can order all candy.
Watumiza amabombo, chips, fanta, ikintu cyose urumva ushaka.
I want a berry smoothie.
Ndashaka berry smoothie.
Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries.
Agatangira gutanga amakomande.
Spinach.
Принеси ягодный смузи.
Avuga mu cyusi ibyo bazanira akana.
Do you like cartoons?
Ukunda za katuni. Mudamu rwose nta mutima mu bikukana, nta kibazo bafitanye. Nubwo avuye guhonagura intoki za se kazivunagura ariko nta kibazo cy'akana. Tayari. Hano.
He's just parked at Shaftesbury Avenue, Soho, Maximilian Club.
Amabwate arimo aragenda ashakamo abantu. Hano umusore yose agiye nawe arimo arakurikirana. Yinjira muri bwate.
He's in.
Arinjiye.
Go check it out.
Sagera umurebe. utavamo kumbe nawe yarabizwe yakurikiwe nenda abwiraga ko nasohotse ndani haraho yaje baramukurikirana Yesu umuhanga afashe cyamukurikira agati mbwira abo abwiraga ko ninje muri bwate niba kimwe amakuru nembaza yewe
Maximum around?
Azaga maximum around.
Where's Asko?
Uri mu nindubaza.
I'm telling Bully Boys here to say.
Ubwira ngo Bully Boy ari hano kugira ngo bahuri. Undi mukire.
Wow, Bully Boy.
Bite Bully Boy.
Have a seat.
Icharira.
Cognac?
I'm good.
Urangwa irikeri undatimeze neza.
So, what brings you down here in the middle of the night?
Ngambwira ikikugenza mu ijoro hano niki? Muri aya masaha.
We okay to talk business?
Ubu twaba turi meze neza buryo twavuga business.
Yeah, sure.
Cyane. Ngira icyo ushaka. Komeza.
I got a fight coming up with this Armenian guy.
Hano mu Rwanda watangiye.
And the funny thing is that the Russians are talking about
bashaka umunye Armenia.
The Armenian guy kicking the bucket during the bout.
Ahubwo na munye Armenia wapfuye kandi yishwe n'abarusiya nshaka kugira icyo bimbwira.
Bucket kicking.
Bucket kicking.
Like you mean?
Uravuga ngo
die.
Yapfuye. Umunye Armenia bishi abarusiya.
There's a girl mixed up in this as well. Ukrainian girl, blonde hair, Phoenix tattoo.
Ndashaka ahubwo nagiye umukobwa w'umunye Ukraine ufite umusatsi wa blonde.
On her neck.
Ufite tatuwaje ya Phoenix hano ku ijosi. Hari cyo muziho.
Why should I know about her?
Use uwo mukobwa nabajya kumushaka amakuru umushaka iki?
Well, because I found this.
Hari cyo nabonye uwo mukobwa yari afite mu ikofi. Kugira gutya. Ikarita business card y'uyu mugabo yari ifite n'umukobwa.
So?
None.
So I think it's about time he quit the bullshit, Maxim, don't you?
Ndashaka mwana tuvana ibintu by'umwana nabyo. Mukobwa ari.
I don't like your tone.
Ntakundi buryo uvuga musore. Ubu ntangiye kuvuga neza.
Sit down.
Mwicare ba bakobwa mwe.
How the fuck did you get that in here?
Abo ndiyo munaje gute muri bwate yanjye.
Came to see you, didn't she?
Na iyi mukobwa yaje kureba sibyo?
That's how she found me.
Uko yaje kureba nanjye ko nanjye yambonye.
You are a dead man walking.
Mwana uri umupfu ugenda, you are a dead man walking. Uri umurambo wigendera. Kuramo telefoni yawe. Mereza phone yawe.
Can phone out. I'm not going to ask you again, do it?
Simbi kubaza ahubwo ndakuraza mereza telefoni yawe. Pereza isimu yawe. Umugabo akandakuru kabuto munsi y'imeza banza uruje. Ka alarm. Baba usa. Tayari. Agitega umupagasi. Kira mwivugana na aragiye. Tayari telefoni yashaka y'umugabo arayitangira. Uyu nawe. Boy kanajya heza. Base ndore. Basasi ndani. Base ndore. Hey. Hey. Filimi daw. Mapagasi. Sasu. Njimbere. Pima nabi. Nawe gusoza. Hey. Peter Speed. Ke data we. Soka muri bwata ci inyuma. Natangira. Cha mu rwa hagati. Inja muri kabaranga yiwe.
He's in close but can't get a punch in.
Sasa hakuna kana katangiye kureba boxing karabikunda ibintu byo kurwana.
Ties his opponent's arms and pushes him back at the same time.
Erega nawe igiye kureba umuntu ibutsinde hari abantu birebera.
On the ropes.
No buryo aba rwose ataragwana adahunga imigozi.
Especially Sean Spence.
Uzare umurwanyi twa Sean Spence. Kana kazi n'indwanyi. Chemeka telefoni hakuno. Tangira kuraga kobwa kaba gari nimero yakamaze kuyibona.
You think this Smoking Joe will win?
Neza Smoking Joe uraceka ari butsinde.
Oh yeah.
Cyane.
I'd put cash on it.
Yaramushetera.
To 30 odds at least.
Kuri 30 ariko yatsinda.
Goes.
Urata bikoze.
That hurt.
Birabaza.
What did I tell you?
Nagwereki.
Money on.
Iyo bafite amafaranga mu sheti. Kana karaha.
You put money?
Usheta amafaranga urusimbi. Mudamu yarumiwe. Kana mugenzi ke byara akababaje ko we nase. Anu yagiye afata buru wakeka wese ahambira. aza mu kindi cya apartment. Ingufuri isetsa arayisetsa kugera hano yinjiye adushe iri ne persone pa nta muntu uriyo. Kugendera ubusa kasasha nakabona nyuma ye ihangane ndi hano kugufasha.
Father was my friend.
Musari inshuti yanjye.
Let the same thing happen to you.
Nicyo nyene ntabwo nshaka ibyabaye kuri so nawe byakubaho.
Me phone.
Ba telefone yawe kubera
How do you think I found you?
iyo telefone yatumye menya ahantu herereye. Arayimena.
Safe.
Fataka iyi niyo yizewe.
You do know what we're up against, right?
Ntabwo uzi ibyo uhanganye nabyo.
They don't scare me.
Ntabwo bakinkanga. Kiyagaze.
We want those files published.
Ndashaka zira files kuzishyira ku karubanda nakanyamakuru kazi. Bintu Uburusiya bwari buri muri ndashaka kwama gushyira ku karubanda. Nshaka kwihorera.
And all the others.
N'abandi bose bari hanze baye mu kidata nabo batabazi.
I found his logbook.
Nabonye igitabo cye.
It was about a meeting with a woman he called Red Star.
Yari afite gahunda yo kujya guhura n'umudamu witwaga Red Star.
Red Star had collected evidence of a chemical weapons program.
Ati Red Star amaze kubona amakuru y'ibisasu bya kirimu cyangwa chemical weapons, ibisasu byo mu bwoko buri chimique abarusiya bari program yo kubikora.
She had gotten a hold of the formula from
Yari afite na formula yagomba guha umuntu witwaga Novichok.
She even had samples of it.
Yari afite na sample.
Your father didn't tell me that.
Ibyo ntabwo so yari ko yabimbwiye.
Red Star thought it was too risky to bring the files to the meeting. So
Red Star yari afite ubwoko kuba yaza mu nama.
put them in the bank.
Arangije afata izo nzandiko zose azishyira muri bank.
She put them in a bank.
Yabishyize muri bank ibyo byandiko.
Yes.
Cyane.
Where is this bank?
Iyo bank se yabiriye station.
I'm the only one who knows.
Umuntu hazi n'umwe. Njye nyenyine.
The address of the bank was in his logbook.
Ati kandi ikindi address z'iyo bank zari muri logbook y'uwo mudamu.
I burned it.
Ariko na icyo gitabo nagitwitse maze kumenya address yariyo. Atangira kwibuka. Umunsi barasa ise w'uyu mukobwa na Red Star. Agera akandiko yarabahaye.
Very smart.
Byiza cyane.
I need your help to get the code.
Ahubwo nyene ntuza ubufasha bwawe kugira ngo mbone code. Code singura ku foro yawe yabitse iki ayo mabanga. Ariko bank yo ndayizi. Kumbe hano araho yaje. Bana imfunguzo nta gukinguza neza.
Fuck's sake.
Binekera
While on duty.
wowe wazize iki? Kumbe arabo yabanje gutera. Maniga baramuhamagara.
Let it ring.
Yireke komeza isoni.
Turn around. Don't you look.
Hindukira aho ntunandebe.
Let me see your hands.
Come on, agana amaboko yawe.
Who are you?
Urindi.
Don't you worry about
Byo
that.
ntubigire ikibazo.
Log into the CIA
Injira muri system ya CIA.
system.
Listen, we're just a trading company.
Ariko turi company y'ubucuruzi.
What you think?
Look, you don't want me to.
Uracheka nazuri warwana we.
It's nice monitor. I do as you.
Wowe ndabizi kuri hack. Injira muri system ya CIA. Hackinga CIA. Gishyiraho ijisho. Kinjira muri system.
Whoa.
Baretse urakora ibiki?
I know your game.
Ndabizi imikino yawe.
You got a real password and a fake one.
Shyiramo password ya nyayo atari ya fake.
Yes, son.
Cyangwa se isasu rice mu mutwe wawe. Shyiramo ya nyayo gisiba ibya mbere. Shyiramo password yinjira muri nuza za CIA.
Operation Red Star.
Usachinge operation yitwaga Red Star.
See everything you got.
Unyereka amakuru iyo operation amakuru CIA ifite. Kureba muri operation y'uyu musore arimo Martin.
Keep going. 12 years ago, Kiev.
Jya makuru y'imyaka 12 ashize muri Kiev. Amakuru CIA ifite. Atangira kubona ari kumwe na muzehe Igoro. Bare muri Kiev, muri Ukraine. Uyu musore kumwe na madamu.
Okay.
Nawe se yamugendagaho. Tangira kubona ahantu barasiwe. Na Red Saba Muras.
There's a handwritten note.
Uzikaninga neza akaboko. Mukobwa kirabona ari n'imodoka iparika. Telefoni.
Even just pulled up outside.
Umva ari imodoka iparitse hanze. Hari abagabo bagiye kwinjira bafite imbunda. Kuri kamera barimo barabareba.
It's encrypted. I don't have access.
Ya na access mfite irafunze.
Print it.
Printing ibyo papuro, bi printing ibyo foto. Bi printing anagera mbyigeho. Kumbe abandi baje.
Is it printing or not?
Printing nona ndaje boss ndaje. Sasa makuru mudamu yari afite nandi za file birimo ni chemical weapons abarusi bari barimo barakora ashaka kuzishyira ku karubanda bicwa batari publishing kuko arashaka gusoza ibyo se yaratangiye nawe yari umunyamakuru
on the back wall.
umuryango we banguriye duca inyuma.
Where is it?
Escape route bano nabo baje buriya bahaka usanga korera ahantu mu gihe ni hasa nabi utanaceka ntahaka wasanga ari mu nzu nzima never baba baza akazi bakora. Martin bitonze.
What's going on?
Nibici bijambere.
Got a hostage here.
Hano mfite imbohe.
Martin, let's talk about this, shall we?
Martin, reka tubiganire sibyo.
Come on, if you have a gun, just put it down.
Nimbona afite nimbona ishyira hasi.
You hear me?
Hatagira umuntu ukomereka. Martin. Asubiza.
Martin, I'm coming in.
Martin ndaje wana. Avayo. Mushite Trevor. Kugera ha.
Down. Let's go.
Mwana muya babiri mucaha mujye mujyasi. Bandi binjira we yasohokeye. Bashaka nigagiye kare. Dani mu kizu. Kugera hano asohoka yitonze nk'umunyabwenge yahakinguye yibika mu kabati slaguruka witonze ereza imbunda natindamo mbunda cyo gikoresho gusa yitwaza yitsimba hakuno ko twumva boss aguyera bagabo baragigira bagabo nta n'umwe wumva kamwihambiraho byanyabyo tayari bagabo nta n'umwe wumva mugeri bagabo nta n'umwe uva kwizima kagabo kamubereye ibamba kamubereye amenyo ya ruguru kagabo ni koroshe ni kumva barahuragurana nawe kava kwizima nako Scotty byanze maze ndore agafata agatera umunigo karamwirenza parika nabi paka hakuno igice cya mbere kirarangiye bajya muri turu ya kabiri na match tagira ibice round ya kabiri byanyabyo agabo karamufata
Jig's up, Martin.
Martin rekera gezo ni yumva nisunika batamukira we tayari paka hasi maparika nabi Martin nawe yumva nabi maze ndore umugabo urahari yahura tayari kagabo kari kamwambiriyeho pakageze hasi hagurutse Trevor kujyana n'abasirikare bandi yacitse kare ko batinze twara funga umunwa kaza karabaza ubusa baratangira kujyana no mpagasi we yakarenze kare baragasi ibirayi kamwihambiriyeho birangira gapfuye bwatinze tugaruka muri Russia Moscow Kremlin. Abarusiya bataye umutwe baziko zira file aho zigira ku karubanda.
Прошло 10 часов.
Tangira kuvuga ikirusiya. Fande mukuru ni utanga amabwiriza.
Да, я все выполню.
Ibyandiko bingeraho ndabamenyesha.
You're telling me MI6, CIA, they're all after us?
Ase umva nkubaze ko ndeba MI6 CIA bose ari kudukurikirana ikibazo niki.
It's not gonna make it, son.
Umva ibyo ntabwo bindeba. Sasa umugabo ura nta hantu ho gutura no kujya gushaka ikizu gishaje ukitsimbamo. Urwandiko Red Star bamurasha afite nibwo ashaka kubanza kumenya code ifungura vault ni iyi.
You're not like any reporter I've ever met.
Hako nta gusa nk'umunyamakuru wa leta. Hako kazi ko kari kumwe na maneko.
Isn't that what your father said?
Gutabara abaturage nicyo nshoboye. Nibi na mpamvu nakoranaga naso. Kako karana agatesi. Bari mukanya baramweza ka video k'umukobwa we. Kureba neza gipapuro umusore ya printinze. Yajya printing ibintu bitagaragara neza. Kibazo cyariko.
They've changed the encryption.
Uburyo yaje printinze ntabwo kinagaragara neza. Akiraho amamodoka aracyaparika. Ibazo nawe MI6 ubutasi bw'abongereza, CIA bw'abanyamerika bose bari kugabo kamwe. Martin.
Surrounded.
Wazengurutswe.
Now with your hands above your head.
Amaboko tuyabona bitabaye ibyo turakoresha imbaraga.
Final warning, Martin.
Gasopo ya nyuma. Martin. Martin avaye yamanitse amaboko.
Good. Very good.
Yeza cyane. Koze neza.
Forward.
Egera imbere. Move forward. Kwegera imbere.
Slowly.
Witonze gace gace. Sasa baje amufatiye imbunda. Wa mukobwa Sasha.
Guns down.
Bwira abagabo babashyira imbunda hasi.
Do as I say or I'll kill you.
Kora ibyo mvuga cyangwa mwice.
Files you're looking for are in the bank.
Ibyandiko urimo urashaka files ziri muri bank.
Martin has the code to the wall.
Martin afite code ifungura nuza volte na cyangwa se kufure foro.
On his head.
Kandi mbone muri ku mutwe.
He's the only one who knows it.
Ati niuzi yo code ifungura vault.
Now you tell me.
None hitamo.
Shall I blow his brains out?
Meno ubwonko bwe cyangwa.
My heart there, Sasha.
Sasha ntabwo rwose wankanga.
Am I?
Kandi ikindi
Take Trevor.
Trevor bikore. Ushyire imbunda hasi.
Tell them to put their guns down.
Babwire bashyire imbunda hasi.
Now.
Nona.
Come on. Please.
Ndakwinginze. Ukobwa banani bumva. Namuntu yanu umwe yambirizi.
I'm the only one who knows the location of the bank.
Sasa umugabo wabanje kubanza kwemera ko gifite code usibye n'ikindi cya kabiri. Ni cya uzi aho bank iri.
Calm down.
Tuza muko. Ndirasa nigize aho bank iri. Sasa hanze nanga ari nkina bafite ububanke bubiri butatu. Usanga ari bank y'isibo, impuza sibo, amabanke nk'ijana mu gace kamwe. Kumenya bank umudamu yayishemo amabanga y'uburusi buryo abakora ibisasu bya kirimbuzi. N'uyu mukobwa uzi bank yariyo. Ndirasa. Ndirasa amabanga aje hanze. Cyangwa burire rimwe.
Okay.
Baretse rimwe bo ngaho twumvikane ntacyo. Twumvikane abantu n'imbunda. Sasa abarusiya baratuza ari ukuye mukobwa abahaye files zigeze muri UN naho baraburiza batambuka bitonze nta gahunda yo kwirasa kari gafite.
Told you, he wants those files more than anything.
Turashaka ziriya files ko byagenda kose. Nakunu. Sasa hakaye bamurakare wakigoryiwe kanguka.
What did he want?
Gashaka giki?
You guys seem to know each other pretty well.
Bisa nkaho we n'abandi bagabo mwese mwari muziranye. Onde?
Martin.
Mwenyine n'imikino Martin.
Talking about?
Ibyo mwavugaga byose nabyumvaga. Bafungura hakuno.
You said it was a
machine
handwritten note.
Ibyo ari byo byose karakane ko kari kandikijwe intoki.
Yellow paper.
Karaga papuro k'umutuku umuhondo.
I could only print the encrypted version.
Ntabwo namaye encrypted version agapapuro kagaragara neza.
I'm sure you got a lot of questions, Sasha.
Umva muko uri murambaza ibibazo byinshi kandi ibibazo twese turabihuje.
The encryption last updated.
No, amezi 6 turi kwa encrypting ari yari machine amezi 6 ashize.
Doesn't have what he was looking for.
Mbanzi byo ashaka atabibonye.
Look, believe me, I'm as scared as you are.
Umva muko nyize arayifite ubwoba nkawe. Nge nta bwoba mfite.
Did anyone ever follow up on this?
hari umuntu ugeze akurikirana ibi ngibi?
But the number's not registered to any network.
iyi namba uburyo nako iyi file uburyo service ntabwo namba iri registered kuri network, ntabwo wapfa kubona ibiriho.
Hey mate, fancy a joyride?
Boya mukomeze mu rugero no gutwara. Kumbe dore ya mbare bashakaga ifungura vault kufure 4.
Print it out.
Ga printing witonze.
What do we do now?
None dukora iki?
Got a credit card?
Yes.
Ufite credit card cyane?
Get it out.
Yivaneyo.
Time to set it.
Fata imunda kuraye bikumwara yinaga. Toje dupanga gatego.
It's got the code to the vault. So let's
Trevor byanga byakunda afite vault code za vault.
to the honey pot.
Araza gushyira ajya kuri bank.
Give me status.
Mereza status. Ari hafa. Bavayo bose bari barashaka gabo kamwe. Martin niwe kibazo.
We've lost them.
Twamubuze. Sasa kugira ngo bamenye banki nuko baba bafite gana gakobwa ka Sasha kandi kacitse. Gonga umuntu hano kuri airport ku kibuga cy'indege. Hangane madam.
Where was going, was I?
Ihangane rwose ntabwo ari nangemeje kugonga. Sasha nawe ari hakuno.
It's British.
Passport nibye ni yabongereza. Genda ugerageze uhindure use nkanyiri passport abari koresha wambuka.
We got a hit.
Arebyo mbonye hakuno.
Just booked 2 tickets to Moscow.
Sasha yafashe itike y'indege imujyana muri Moscow.
The hotel in the city center.
Hotel bari buruhukireho iri mu hagati.
They're not going to Moscow.
Ntago bajya muri Moscow nabo sabaswa. Martin nawe umuswa itajya muri Moscow azi yuko barusana bamushaka.
Within a 100-mile radius for a passenger named
Aho intambara yabereye ushaka miles zitarenga ijana. Ikibuga cy'indege aho ngaho ushake Sasha Stepanenko nimba ayakati itike y'indege cyangwa gari ya moshi.
Think he traveled under his own name?
Ntago apfa kugendera ku mazina ye. Boretse gato.
Me all the security camera footage from
Nkurira za kamera zose ziri hafi n'imbuga by'indege biri hano mu Bwongereza. Tugende turi amashusho yabyo. Kumbe hano wa mu Rusiya kazi. Akana agafashe neza nkake. Kana ntacyo bapfa niba safitanye ibibazo.
Lios.
Akana uko ari keza nakawe. Navuga gakomo. Mudaho navuga menshi. Kana karajunjama. Sasa bageze hakuno Sasha bya bisatsi agenda akaboha. Bitatu waje atangira kubisiba. Passport agiye kugenderaho ni y'umwongereza kandi we no muri Ukraine.
Has developed in the past. It's one of a group of nerve agents known as Novichok.
I hope you have a good news for me.
Ndakeka mfite amakuru meza.
Files there.
Umva files ndazifite.
I'm gonna need more time.
Ahubwo nkeneye igihe kindi kirenze.
Listen, if you're trying to trick me,
Nugerageza kunzanaho ubugoryi. Ni Tatiana.
you understand me?
Uranyumva neza uko biri bugende.
Don't trick anyone here, okay?
Files are in Kiev.
Ibyandiko mushaka biri muri Kiev muri Ukraine. Sasha ni ugiye kunjyanaho biri.
Now we're close. Let's need
Turi hafi yo kugerayo.
How do I know this is?
Nabyemera gute ko ariko kuri.
But you want the files on?
Urashaka files cyane azushaka. Mudamu na yashimusa kana ke. Banza usuhuze so. Akana ni kazi impamvu uyu mudamu agafite kazi kari nka mwene wabo. Bite mukundwa. Meze neza.
How you doing?
Meze ute?
Okay, I guess.
Papa meze neza.
Having a pedicure.
Bari kunkurira inzara.
Come. That's enough.
Uraza birahagije.
I want to speak to him more.
Ndashaka kuvugana na papa.
This is me.
Arankumbuye. Yamaze. Urudamu rugwica nakana kazi kari umuntu mwiza.
He does.
Naho kazi ko sari kazi k'indyankurye.
You have no children, do you?
Hasi ufite abana. Ko nta mutima ugira.
If you were a mother, you wouldn't do this.
Iyo buri umubyeyi ntabwo wakabaye nkorera nk'ibi.
You think you know me?
Warakeye kuzi wacyana we. Mudamu atangira guhinduka. Kana kararyama.
So bet they'd hate you.
Iyo bo afite n'abana bakabaye bakwanga. Nta mubyeyi ubwira gutyo umuntu w'umwana.
You think you are an intelligent girl?
Wakana ucyaka ufite ubwenge kurusha abantu baraha.
Good. Let me tell you a story about your father and your mother.
Ubundi kamubwire wakubwira inkuru ya so na nyoko. Nikazi nyina ise yakabwiye ko yishwe n'imodoka. Uzi ibyo so yakoze?
Your father told her he was a journalist.
Iso yabeshye nyoko ko yari umunyamakuru.
He pretended to love her.
Yigize nk'akunda nyoko.
But he was really
usibye ko so yari maneko.
So my question is intelligent.
Ikibazo ni kimwe wa mukobwa wigira umuhanga.
What are you for him?
Kuki izo utamaza witonze impamvu ukonya ko yapfuye nta accident cyangwa bamaneye ko abari abadahamana yakwica umugore akavuga buryo cy'umugore yapfiriye mu manuka.
I was born out of love. He told.
Navutse kugurukundo papa yakundaga mama wamaze ibyo nibihago bitureba.
Late for the fight.
Indege ahubwo iraza kudusiga.
Bingo, they're on a flight to Kiev.
Bashaka bagiye muri Kiev, muri Ukraine.
All right.
Muri airport barabascanninga ni foto yabo barayibona. Fata indege barerekera.
Ask for Colonel Zelenko. Send him that picture.
Ati amagara Colonel Zelenko umenye umuhereza amafoto umubwire ngaho bagera muri Kiev ku kibuga cy'indege. Abacunga hakiri kare. Indege barerekera. Tayari. Banu ko bakageze muri Kiev kuri airport.
Вітаю.
Brazil airport Kiev Ukraine. Kumbe hano ababaneka nabo barahari. Bivuze ngo bajya hose barabakurikirana. Bitonze. Kiev airport. Virus zabaye indyankurye. Mwete nyango ekenye. Tayari. Bageze muri Ukraine ntago biramera neza. Bageze hano aho bakodesheje kurara. Batabaje wabo umukobwa.
Something wrong?
Ari ikibazo?
I haven't been here since he died.
Kuva data yapfa sinagarutse muri iyi nzu. Baje wabo wagakobwa ka Sasha. Inzu yatoye uruhumbu.
We ended our chemical weapons program in 19...
Sasa hakuno ya chemical program yokorera intwaro za kirimbuzi y'Abarusiya. Martin Deba hakuno hari ama video se yagiye asiga nawe abivugaho nawe yari umunyamakuru ashaka kubishyira kwa rubanda.
And naturally we want to know the truth.
Turashaka kuba twamenya ukuri. Uburusiya nibwo buri kora ibisasu bya kirimbuzi za atomic bombs n'ibindi. Akenshi amakosa akira ku banyamerika ariko narasha nasiyo yoroshye.
You remind me of my father.
Unyibutsa data. Mugabo no mudahamba na business yikorera numbaunsa. Yagiye mu bounce ahunze CIA na MI6. So ari umugabo ufite umutima ukomeye. Sibyo ko nawe yari stubborn, yari umunyakavuyo. Hamenda kumera nkawe. Unavugisha ukuri. Oya ndavugisha umuntu. Nese ko cyavuye muri Kiev. Akunda kuvuga amateka ye. Hari umuntu nabuze. Hari umuntu yapfushije umugore. Niyasubiza.
She died.
Yarapfuye se. Nashaka imwibutsa umugore we.
Never get personal involved.
Sasa yarafite umugore akunda kumubwira ati niba uri mu kazi akari kose Martin. Ikintu cyatuma utsubira inyuma cyangwa ugatsindwa misiyo zose waburiwe. Ntukagire umuntu ubwira ibyawe byose. Nako umugore akunda kumubwira misiyo yose ugiyemo mu kazi. Ujye uvuga bike bitewe n'ibyo ugiye gukora. Kana kari hakuru umudamu yakabwiye amagambo agashengura umutima ati iso yari maneye ko abeshye nyoko ari umunyamakuru. Iso akubeshya ko nyoko yapfiye mu manuka. Akana kajunjanye kandi baramanye neza. Agahahira akagaburira birirwa kuri katuni bareba. Ako mama byamugendekeye bite?
Forget about that.
Ibyo byibagirwe sha.
No. Tell me, I want to know.
Bwira ndashaka kubimenya.
I can't tell you.
Ntago nakubwira. Uzabaze so ikishe nyoko.
Tell me.
Pambwiye ariko. Karamuhatiriza.
It was in dangerous situation.
Mama we yaraye muri situation mbi.
Father tried to save her.
Yesu yagerageje kumutabara.
She got hit.
Ariko yaje kuraswa. Kumurasa cyangwa?
By a bullet.
Isasu.
Who did it?
Ninde abikoze? Ni papa cyangwa?
Did he?
Ni papa. Niwe barasiye mama.
It was an accident.
Byari impanuka wa mwana we. Ubwo niba uri umuntu mukuru nawe tubyumva. Akana ati papa nawe arashe mama toya. Ati byari impanuka gusa tu. Ariko ni isasu ryamwishe. Uyu nawe hakuno ntaryama. Kaza rero ni ndyankurye. Kasasha nako kigize ngo ni ka debane ngo ibyo data atashyize ku karubanda paka publishing. Bari muri Kiev. Tayari. Sikumbona hasa neza ejo bundi numvaga nga amasasa ameze nabi. Ya filime birancanga. Tayari. Mukireka zavayo nakana zikakakana ariyo turufu yo kugira ngo abone za file. Nawe narangiza yitunire ku barusiya. Yashaka byose bibone. Baramuhamagara buri kanya ntaryama ntatuza. Kuryama ni mu ntebe.
Sorry, can't get to the phone right now, but please.
Nago navuga no namusiga ubutumwa bugufi.
Kiev, waiting for your call.
Ni muri Kiev nanjye negeje kumamagara. Sasa umudabona yateze indege agerayo nakana ki. Mwambwiye ko mwinjiye muri Kiev nanjye niho ndi. Nibwatinze Sasha n'umugabo bagomba kujya he kuri bank. Tayari.
So far, so good.
Reba inyuma twahageze. Agatego nakandi. Baracyakurikiwe.
Ready for this?
Uriteguye? Gakobwa nkarashaka gutamaza Uburusiya kabuteze UN bana bafite program yo gukora chemical weapons. Sibije data ngo nuko ari umunyamakuru ajya kuyashaka. Nanjye kaze bashire ku karubanda. Kenja muri bank.
Доброго дня. Чим можу допомогти?
Baravuga ikinye Ukraine.
Ваші документи, будь ласка.
Arajugunya atanga passport n'ibyangombwa.
Одну хвилинку.
Kaze nguhamagarire.
Доброго дня, пані Степаненко.
Tayari. Bitonze. Ukobwa muri bank. Uyu nawe hakuno.
Доброго ранку.
Ukobwa bank arayizi neza. Ariko ikibazo ni code zifungura vault.
Доброго ранку, відчиніться, будь ласка.
Kingura over. Yakubwe bafite bank nka miliyoni mu gace kamwe. Barascaninga. Binjiye indani. Bank komeye cyane. Files bagomba guha UN ziraha. Moko.
Вводите номер вашого сейфу.
Hano nugomba gushyiramo code kugira ngo
Буду вам заважати.
safe irimo ayo mabanga yanyu mushaka n'ibintu byanyu niba ari zahabu nimba ari diama nimba ari korota cyangwa gasegereti yifungure. Barangije begekaho uko gusigaramo indani.
On the left after the security gates.
Atangira kurangira mani uri hanze ko byifashe.
Looks like the bait works. Stay where you are.
Kumbe wa mugabo Trevor yagiye azana ingabo nyinshi.
Старію.
Щось сталося?
Baravuga ikinya Ukraine.
Старію, проведіть мене.
Так, звичайно. Ідіть за мною.
Reka nta kibazo namwe mwemererwe kwinjira. Kumbe banenga nawe yinjiramo abatunguye. Hagarara. Security mwakimunda ku ngufu. Nagweza arasaka kuno kumuriro hajya uza alarm. sasa n'abaturage bahita bapanikinga bakumva ko byanga byakunda hari ikibazo muri banka. Tujyana kuri vault ibyandiko bibitse. Abaturage ngo sasa barasohoka. Hano numenye usohoka n'uwinjije. Hakuno kuri vault Trevor zana n'abandi. Ukobwa yizemo indani. Tujyemo indani. Kumbe Trevor n'umuhanga. Kiraho. Trevor narimbizi kuri bupanike. Yarafite code uyafite agakobwa batazi ngo banka ni yi. Agateza umukobwa. Sasa nawe shiramo aho ngaho code paka tubonye files. Abandi ubarase nibagereza kwinjira. Banka manager ku ruhande.
You bring in person, Trevor.
Trevor narimbizi y'ukuri bwiza na ubwawe.
Punching the code.
Shiramo code hari.
You give me too much credit.
Mwana uwo mfite umwenda ndakurasa nta mikinira utanza naho santima.
Quick trade with the Russians.
Urashaka kugurana n'abarusiya se cyangwa?
A little revenge on your former employer.
Cyangwa ushaka guhorera waho ari boss wawe. Shiramo coordinates ufungure vault.
Friend, she recruited you to the people's cause.
Tiniwe na girlfriend ana wanje kodesha abantu baje guteza ibibazo.
Look, enough of your bullshit. Just
mwana wimbwira umwana kingura vuba. Just open it. Yitonze kabati karakinguka. Namuntu ashaka kwica. Hari ugufata hano files ziri gutamaza abarusi ugasanga nazo sizo.
Do that if I were you.
Nago nakagafunguye yomba ni wowe. Wasanga aragatego. Bitekerezo muko.
Red Star was FSB.
Abari aba FSB nabona hagarabo bo kwizerwa bana aho ngaho.
You wanted to fuck us over.
Bastekereza kabiri muko.
There's Novichok inside.
Harimo Novichok indani. Koga funguye. Sasha.
We good?
Wabibonye? Sasa za chemical weapons abarusiya bari bafite sample ubwo bayifite nukuiteza UN.
Fucking kill it.
Ndamwica tamusubira inyuma. Binjira indani.
Death warrant,
man. Wisinye warrant y'urupfu.
Have a hard on for you.
Agency yose igiye kurikirana.
Chances. Hey.
Yewe. Sasa uramwizera uyu mugabo?
Like your father did? You know, 12 years.
Ngaceceka aho ngaho se nyine. Byo kuvuga imyaka 12 nyuma na se w'uyu mukobwa afata sample ya za chemical weapons arayizamukana tayari. Kugera ahantu gushaka aho bacikira. Ku nyubako hejuru. Dora abasirikare ngo barimena. Bitonze baca hakuno kumanuka vuba mugabo arashaka izi sampo kujya atabara kana ke umukobwa naye arashaka guhorera se abishyira kwitangaza makuru ajya gutamaza abarusiya barasa kuba ariko nta byumva ashaka gutabara umwana we tayari hano nta guhagarara mu mayira cyana kabiri tike baratangira. Polisi nayo yafatiyeho hano byo kuvuga ngo ucuruza inyanya ku muhanda bareba. Umukobwa ni umunya Ukraine arashaka gutamaza bene Putin uburyo bakora chemical weapons ibyo njo batumva neza. Habura gato polisi umumodoka burahendutse ni bashaka abagonge muzagura izindi. Baratangira. Hey! Ukraine arasa neza. Ntago ari mwe mu ntambara. Ukobwa arangije asanga umusinzi asindiye ku muhanda avanayo kanyanga.
Scratch.
Nakobotse gato nabirenze.
Okay.
Ukrainian medicine. Best there is.
Hano hari umuti w'abanye Ukraine ukimena kanyanga aho bakurashe. Tayari mwambura imbunda. Sasa umukobwa nta muntu yizera. Sasa akora ibiki? Nawe uri umwe muri bo.
I can explain.
Nagusobanura. Utava huri.
I'll shoot you.
If you shoot.
Wimbesha na.
You need to kill my daughter too.
Umva singubwiza ukuri ni natanga ibibyandiko nanjye bari umwana wanjye.
The Russians have got her.
Abarusiya bamfitiye umwana. Niyo mpamvu ngomba gufata ibyandiko so yabishije nanjye nkabibahereza.
Don't move.
Utava huri.
You're full of shit.
Ntawe uri umuswa gusa uri ko kuri umva muko.
I need those files, okay?
Shaka izo files.
My daughter's life depends on it.
Ubuzima bw'umwana wanjye buri kuri izo file.
You want to expose the people that killed your father, and I get that.
Nanjye rwaye ndashaka gushyira abahanza abishe so.
I really do.
Ndabishaka pe gutamaza abishe so.
But do the ends justify the means?
Ariko n'ubu niyo nabatamaza umwana wanjye n'umupfu. N'icyatuma nkwizeye. Banza wibaze.
Would your father sacrifice the life of a little girl?
Iso yatanga akana gato ngo bakice. Mwimwiri data karamuhereza byanyabyo. Umukobwa nawe nta muntu yizeye. Umukobwa we misiyo yiwe no kugira ngo atamazi iki abishe se. Bamuhora amabanga y'urusiya yari afite ya chemical weapons bari mu baracura. Ubu narashaka gutabara akana ke. Sasha nimba agiye kubitanga he? Ni akanyamakuru kazi. Kuko arashaka kubishyira kuri televiziyo, YouTube, ahantu nkaho. Buri kanya we n'ibibazo. Yibuka umugore amubwira ati akazi kose cyangwa misi uzajyamo ntukagire umuntu witeza mukururane cyane umubwira ibyawe byose. Ujye uvuga rimwe ku ijana. Buri kanya bamurota. Iyo uvuze ibyawe byose nibyo bituma kenshi unatsindwa. Kandi ibyo nibyo tudashaka sheri. Uruka we n'ibibazo. Genda byibuka ibyo madamu yamubwiraga. Nimba kapimye mu gituza. Telefone iraca vibrating hano. Tatiana. Wa mu rusya kazi ufite umwana we.
Yeah.
Ego.
Martin.
Martin.
You have what I want?
Ufite ibyo nagusabye?
Yeah.
Cyane. Kiriza.
Yeah, I've got what you want.
Ibyo ushaka rwose ndabifite.
Files and reporters?
Ndashaka izo files n'uriya munyamakuru kazi.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to talk to Lisa.
Ndashaka kuvugana n'umwana wanjye Lisa.
Here, talk to your father.
Akira so muvugane.
Dad.
Papa. Nameze neza afite isasu. Uraza ryari kuntura. Ntazi ko biri bukunde.
Have you sweetheart?
Ndagukunda mwana wanjye. Ya magambo y'abapfu.
Dad, you sound...
Papa ko numva ijwi ryawe ryahindutse. Kuvuga ibintu nasanzwe numva uvuga. Buri munsi abagashira igakurasa. Mwana ntazibe guko ngukunda gusa. Birirwaga mu rugaga bwa itoza imbunda. Papa ko numva usari kumangayikisha.
All right, Martin.
Sa Martin. Ure saa yine.
Funny games.
Abindi. Yahindutse kaboko. Bwa mbere isasu ryamutwitse bamupimye iryanyaryo. Tayari. Arazibamba zerekeza ntazi Sasha yerekeje. Ntazi ari bukura akana ke. Gusa ikidamu cyamubwiye ko cyageze muri Kiev. Maze ndore. Amagara hakuno umushuti. Bakoraga muri MI6.
Ruined my day.
Nanu ushaka kunyangiriza umunsi.
Trevor, I need your help.
Trevor, nkeneye ubufasha bwawe.
Martin Baxter asking.
Martin, urimo uranya kumufasha?
This is a treat.
Umva bafitiye umwana. Abarusiya bafitiye umwana Angelisa kandi baramwica. Saa yine za nijoro baranshaka cyangwa umwana wanjye apfe.
Where's the case?
Case iri. Varisi. Mukobwa ndabyumva ubwo yakugambaniye, sibyo?
Now you want me to help you get it back?
No, nashaka ngufashe kujya wongera umuntu ya Varisi. Bya bindi byo gusaba uwimye. Yahoraga bizamuraho ba MI6. Abakatira.
Deal still on the table.
Ndeboni gahunda ziganira mwicaranye n'umuntu. Niko uko dukina imikino nawe urabizi. Ahubwo mbwira ahantu uri.
Martin.
Martin. Telefone yayikuyeho kare. arakaza iminsi akaba ari indyankurye baguhemba neza ari kuvuga ati ndayarya ejo nanjye ngaruka.
Miss, you got a tracking device installed in this case.
Rwose nshaka mumfashishe imashini zanyu. Ari imodoka nashyizeho tracking device. Tegeka naye sekirite gake. Shaka kwakinga iyo modoka umbwira ahantu iri.
Alison Jane Tynan.
It's parked at Passagerski Center.
Ahita amubwira aderesi iri hafi n'umuhanda gari ya moshi. Imodoka arabizwi harimo cya tracking device. Arerekera baramugonga se cyarabyumva. Ubuzima bwa kana buri mu byago nigashaka gutabara. Hakuno n'icyo ariko se noneho baturage ni benshi n'urujya n'uruza rw'abantu gize gutya abona akakobwa gafite imisatsi iri blonde arakurikira bwegere ku ruhande ntambuke Sasha ariko se muri amore iki sanga siwe abana imisatsi irasariga yamenya mukura he kureba gutya kabona hakurya gategereje gari ya moshi n'igikapu kabona amaniga ari inyuma yako karatangira ntabyo nguha karambukira nyuma ya gari ya moshi umugabo uri ahantu afite ibibazo karamanuka karangaye kamanuka ku mesikariye nabi wakagurya agakubita umunigo utanza nahise seme genda gake teteka ntunapfe muri siransi teteka umbabarire hama hamwe tuza karasinzira bareka kadepoza hakuno nayo dukoresha twibanze abona nayo case amen fata ingwanguruzo y'abandi abariyo yiba vakuba ari gutabara umwana we.
You've done well, Martin.
Wakoze neza Martin.
You've used all your skills to get what we want.
Wakoresha ubushobozi bwawe n'ububasha kugira ngo tubone ibyo dushaka. Kana nako bagahambiriye hakuno.
Thanks for the reporter.
Rwose ndabizi ko ufite santi muri abanyamakuru kazi. Sibye ko muri abanyamakuru atari ingenzi. Uriya niyo yanapfira ku rugamba nabirenze.
Check. Did you hear that?
Uranyumva?
Testing.
Arabanza agafata hakuno agashyira bw'amajwi mu matwi. Barafata ka video yitonze.
Is you, our daughter,
icy'ingenzi ni wowe,
our mission,
umukobwa wacu na misiyo. Buri kanya hora yibuka amagambo umugore yamubwiraga. Ndagukunda cyane Martin. Hakuno hari abapanze guhurira nande na Tatiana. Aza nta kesi yitwaje.
I'm not armed.
Nta ntwaro nitwaje.
I'm gonna get my phone out of my pocket, okay?
Hano nazanye na telefone ndi mu mufuka.
Fucking game.
Iyo mukino sengishaka.
I'm gonna send you a link.
Ndagwa link. Sizi ni yiki.
It's a link to a video stream. Just open it.
Ni link ya video stream cyangwa ya video runaka uyifungure. Abana video bafashe kasasha.
So in that case,
files ziri muri iyo case.
Once Lisa's safe, I'll send you the address.
Bereza umwana wanjye Lisa. Naye ndagwa address zawo umukobwa namufungiye niyo case afite. Nta bindi. Mugabo naye umuswa. Yanze kuzana case umuntu atashaka kwitanga bakaramurasana bakakica. Uranyumva neza? Address ndazigwa ari kumaye umwana wanjye nawe ari muzima. Sasha. Afite ubwiye kuteri mu matwi. Kamera kari imbere. Okay. Kana karaha.
It was a bracelet of my daughter.
Ati nanja kugakomokara ku mwana wanjye nawe mugakunda. Ndaka kwihereye. Kavuga iki?
Masha.
Yitwaga Masha. Nimba nawe yarabuze umwana ntumbaze. Ukijyanira wa mwana we ntago twabanye nabi.
Now go.
Sawa igendere.
Отведи ее.
Mwana mumujyane kwa se.
It's all gonna be over soon, sweetheart.
Mwana nje humura birarangira vuba ndagusezeranye. Baramusaka nta kindi nta ntwaro.
On chest.
Gasanga se. Adirese
Susquehanna Street, 97.
ababwira umuhanda 95 kuri floor ya mbere, babwira izina rya etage.
Едьте вместе.
Bitonze binjira mu modoka bajya kureba kuri etage kuko nimba bakoze iki ababwiye ariho. Apagasi ba mbere baragenda. Kapagasi bakerekeye asigaranye na Bojo Tatiana. Kumbe video ya muhaye na live ya record already. Kumbe wa mukobwa na wala hafi. Sasha na wala hari. Batangira kurasa agakobwa. Kana basasa ragasakuriza kuma hasi tuzamuka. Tatiana nako Sasha na hafi nawe. Nakabunda. Kamara sijyo mu mbavu. Akamasasa aragashirana.
Она пуста.
Что?
У нее нет патронов.
Ajya gushaka agakobwa. Acecere. Ana ntugire ikibazo hamwe. Gipaka se mu gituza. Kumbe kano bakafashe. Kasashe.
Martin, you know what I want.
Martin usicyo nshaka. Business turimo unayijua. Nashaka case.
Akore!
Don't do it, Martin!
Martin tabikora cyo kuvuga. Izo files goma kuzipublishing kazi ya kwa rubanda. Wezitanga. Yitonze.
No matter what happens to me,
Mwana wanjye ibyambaho byose.
you stay here, right?
Ugume hano sibyo? Papa hoya. Wigenda.
You stay here.
Ugume hano utava mu modoka. Ugume hasi gusa.
Dad!
Papa! Zana briefcase. Yako mkobwa agende. Munagire case.
Fucking file.
Don't do it!
Arayinaga. Yibuka byamubaye bwa mbere muri Ukraine. Anaga za files. Arongeye arazinaze. Baramuhereza noneho. Byanyabyo. Bwa mbere byamubayeho. Ari kumwe na se w'agakobwa. Sinzi kacira kuri inshuro.
Я сказала на колени.
Kano nako karapfukama.
Передавай своему папа.
Bakira aho warashe umudamu. Kureba neza. Kumbe kuyabindi se yabyukaga gatoza gukoresha imbunda. Akana kivuganye nde? Tatiana. Tayari. Sasa gisigaye sinzi uko se bamugeza kwa muganga. Lezo ameze neza.
We need to get him to a doctor.
Tugomba kumushaka ubugiti twamujyana kwa muganga. Bakira aho ntibisanzwe abaza birangiye nibisanzwe barahagera. Baziteka byaranye nimba batangira kurasana batumva amasasu.
Sasha!
Sasha!
Out the case.
But your case?
Here slowly.
kandi nawe uzano witonze.
There's no way out, Sasha.
Aha wacekera Sasha. Pabwa fata ya briefcase. Yitonze. Bamurasa mu rutugu. Yinjira amazi. Nta numwe yizera. Seva arebye akana. Kana inzira karengane. Nase yari yaravuye mu kazi. Uyobora uko bamurashe. Ibitekerezo n'andi babiri. Tangira kubona ageze pfiriya rwabijojero ari kumwe na madamu. Orayibuka madamu waciye isheni muri rimwe. Tugaruka hakuno sasa. Asaza harazigera ziricuma n'iminsi iricuma. Bisi yazaga. Kana kari muri bisi. Araho kana bakazanye. Mwana zanu ku kigereza. Bano bose baje gusura. Akana kaziramo. Kugera hakuno hari ukuntu ukora icyaha ukarwara bakuvurira muri gereza. Sara cyari kuri serum. Yensi maze kwihirika. Bite papa? Ni njyewe. Kareba se.
Dad.
Papa. Kira hakuno.
You okay?
Meze neza? Okay. Meze neza nta kibazo.
I'm okay now, see.
Meze neza nta kibazo kongera kubona.
So how are they treating you?
Fwana barimo aragufata bate?
She makes me soup for lunch.
Atanekera isupu buri munsi. Tangira kumubwira senze uba babana nene bari Sasha bagumanye n'akana.
And a laptop.
Namuguriye televiziyo na laptop.
Yeah. Her daughter Marina lives in Moldova.
Ati hari umwana afite yitwa Marina uba muri Moldova.
Marina's really sweet.
Marina ni umuntu mwiza. Buretse gato.
You bought her a TV.
Waguze televiziyo
and a laptop.
Na laptop.
Where did you get that kind of?
Amafaranga menshi kucyagwiza wakuye.
You weren't there.
Narayakoreye, warayakoreye.
That Russian lady, she was
uriya mugore wo mu Rusiya
weird.
ntago yari asanzwe.
She was crazy about gambling. But
yakundaga gukina urusimbi, akina ibintu bya boxing. Twajyaga dusheta 50-50. Ariko ntago yari azi kubetinga ku muntu ngo arebe indwanyi ishoboye kumera.
I ran the numbers and she put the money.
Ati najyaga ashyiraho imibare bagasheta amafaranga.
Oh, actually.
Tugatsinda tugapasura.
You always were the cleverest.
Nahe rwose wahoze uri umuhanga kuva na kera. Gera hano. Naragukumbuye. Papa.
Yeah.
Ego.
She told me what really happened to Mom.
uko wambwije ukuri byabaye kuri mama.
She said you tried to save her.
Bambwiye ko wagerageje kumutabara. Byagenze bite?
It's an accident.
Byari accident.
I just didn't know how to tell you that.
Mwana wanjye sinzi buryo ki nakubwira ukiri umwana.
I didn't want you to hate me.
Nari mbizi kuzanyanga nkubwira ikishe nyoko.
It's okay.
Papa nta kibazo.
Very good father, have I?
Ntago nigeze nkubera so mwiza.
I love you.
Papa ndagukunda.
We're a team, remember?
Turi ikipe nye nawe.
We're a team.
Turi ikipe koko. Ise mugenzi bari abakene bakajya kwikinira boxing akana kakabetinga. Isaga sanga ni kamushete kashete abandi. Mugabo yaje hakuno ku kibuga cy'indege Trevor. Hano ngiye kujya. Abona kana kamushuti karaho hafi. Lisa.
You all right?
Meze neza. Nikavuga. Akira hakuno. Arejyane ko kamuhaye.
Familiar.
Ese urabona ari bisanzwe? Sangaho bizi.
To copy the originals in a safe place.
Ati yo ni copy ahubwo copy original irabitswe.
If anything happens to me or my dad,
haramutse hagize ikimbo cyangwa kikaba kuri data,
it'll be sent toward the right people.
Ati ahubwo ibyo bizajya ku bantu banyabo.
I know you'll find a way to get him out of here.
Ndabizi yuko wakora ibishoboka kugira ngo kuri hano data. Akana we nasa ni ikipe uyakorana ngana se muri MI6. Nimba nari umugabo ajyakorana n'abarusiya ntumbaze.
I hope you're doing fine.
Kumbe hano Sasha irwa kohereza inzandiko.
Foster mother takes good care of you.
Ati nizere ko mama baguhaye gufata neza.
For saving my life.
Ati nawe warakoze kuntabara.
Inside this envelope you will
muri envelope uraza kubona amazina y'aba double agent harimo abakozi benshi bakorera MI6 banakorera CIA
6 network.
Bagenda ari abagambanyi.
Be careful.
Witonde.
Remember.
Iyo liste nguhaye.
Must behave like.
Harimo ibirura byinshi kandi iyo bana n'ibirura nawe ugomba kwitwara nkabyo. Iyo liste mu gihe uyifite nta muntu wagukanga. Bakorera MI6 bakorera na CIA. Ati ni Sasha ayo makuru nigiye yaguhaye. Ubwo nibwo burinzi ufite. Bwatinze hakuna imyigaragambyo mu baturage iratangira.
Online publication of the files in Russia.
Abarusiya batangiye kwigaragambya kubera yuko leta yabo irimo iragenda ikora iki? Ikora ibisasu bya kirimbuzi. Wa mukobwa Sasha nta kindi yakoze. Yaragiye rwose ajya ku mateleviziyo yo muri Ukraine atangira kubitangaza.
What is your response to that?
If it's a fake news.
Niba ari amakuru ya fake.
Then they permit inspections of a chemical weapons lab.
Kuki bakomeje Abarusiya kudukurikirana izo chemical weapons zatako tubivugaho?
Back in communist times.
Ataracyifata nk'abakomunisiti nko mu bihe bya kera.
Focusing on opposition activists and journalists.
Ntabwo bashaka umunyamakuru cyangwa umuntu wese wasa nkaho agiye guhangana nabo bashaka kumurimbura hakiri kare.
But this isn't just a Russian problem.
Iki ntabwo ari ikibazo cy'Uburusiya gusa.
The concept of objective truth is being threatened everywhere.
Ahubwo nisa nk'ari Uburusiya bushaka kwigira igihugu cyatera ubwoba buri muntu ahari hose. Niyo mpamvu dushaka ko ibica buri kinyamakuru cyose ikaba ari inkuru mpuzamahanga.
Lies will be our history.
Reka wenda tunavuga ko ari n'ukubeshya ariko binatubera amateka. Kana hakuno kahoraga kabwira se ngo akazi ko kurwana nta kazi kakarimo kikundira ishuri iseheruka kigisha kurasa akana mugenzi kare kazima mu mutwe kifatira umwanzuro w'iki aho kujya kiga.
You hungry?
Dore ibyo kahoraga gasaba se bifunguriye hakuno ka restaurant.
It's pretty fashion, isn't it?
Mwana wanjye byambwiraga n'ukuri.
Desk, I mean at the end of the day you're just going to be stuck behind a computer, aren't you?
Nge nzajya mba ni kuri computer papa buri munsi turi kumwe wowe useriva abantu na ndi hariya ku mashini yandika ibyinshi n'ibyasohotse.
Come on, Lise. It's not all about money.
Ntabwo ari amafaranga menshi dukeneye mwana wanjye.
Yeah, you could, and you could also cover.
Bashyira aho ari ndi yaparitse. Nifunguriye hakuno ka restaurant. Kana kahoraga kabwira se kariya kazi kadahambana ko kwirirwa urwana na amafuti gashaka ko bazafungura restaurant. Bayifungura hakuno. Sasha nawe nta kundi yagize gutya abo babanye nubwo batacimbuye byiza hamwe. Burya ngo ibihe wibukiraho umuntu nibibi mwacanyemo. Igikoni cyafunze abona haro wabagendereye. Sasha yinjiye mu nzu.
Феникс на позиции.
Aba bagendaho nabo ntibarashira.
Выполняй.
Abarusiya baracyabakurikirana. Fandi amenya ko bakiri kumwe. Cha Yesu n'umwami yari yandambiye. Nacheka nuko igenze yari Sankara da Premier nk'ibisanzwe abagiye mwakoze kuzamura bano ndabakunda cyane cyane nimuci kuzikurikira nimba ifite kabiri yayo mbonye abarusiya bakibagendaho simbizi neza namwe muzayibona ndabakunda cyane kandi bamwe bakunda murayizi urumva noneho